Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be going over how to embed a YouTube video in your Microsoft Word program. Before I begin, give this video a like if it helped you at all. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of technology videos just like this one. So embedding a YouTube video in Microsoft Word is pretty simple to do, and one of the reasons you may want to do this is because say you're doing a project, you're doing your essay, you want to throw up a YouTube video in it and you want to send it to somebody, they can easily click on the little play button and it will appear without any issues. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. I want you to go to YouTube, find the video that you want. I'm going to pick up one of my videos, how to make a QR code for Wi-Fi. So once you have your video that you want to use, just look for the share button right here. Click on that. Once you do that, you're going to look for the embed button right here. Click on that. Here it's going to say embed video and show all these characters. Don't worry about all this stuff. All you're going to do is just click on copy. And it highlights all the characters that were here. So we're done with YouTube for now. So the next thing is go into your Microsoft Word program. Hopefully you have it downloaded on your computer. Once here, you can go to Insert and click on Online Video, which is right next to Wikipedia. Here you're going to see YouTube and from a video embedded code. We're going to focus on this second option right here. Click on the paste embed code here, do a right click and click on paste. So now it pasted that code that we copied from YouTube. Now just click on the mini arrow, which is insert. So now it took that YouTube link, embedded it into Word. Now we have our play button. So if we click on the play button, it'll open up the YouTube video like so. And we just hit the play button again. And now the video will start playing. Put that volume down. But yeah, so that was pretty easy, pretty simple to do. That's just how you embed a YouTube video into Microsoft Word. Some people may find it useful, some people may not, but I just wanted to show you guys it was pretty simple to do, pretty easy to do. So if you do like what you saw, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.